Have you ever heard name of CATIA? Do you have any idea about the full form of CATIA? The full form of CATIA is Computer Aided Three-Dimensional Interactive Application. CATIA, Computer Aided Three-Dimensional Interactive Application. Computer aided, simply we are using the computers for our solution, so it is a computer aided application. Three dimensional, as I told you, it is a CAD tool, computer aided designing tool. So our major focus will be on creating the designs, the 3D models. And interactive applications. Interactive application means for CATIA allows you to switch the environments at any point of time. CATIA allows you to interact between the environments at any point of time. For an example, if you are working in the part design environment and any critical shape comes into picture which is actually easy to create using surface design environment, then CATIA is the only software which allows you to anytime switch to surface design environment. You can create that critical shape over there and come back to part design environment and continue your work. So the softwares allows you to interact between the environments as well. That's why it is computer aided three-dimensional interactive application. Next is the kernel of CATIA. Kernel is basically the operating system on which the software is based. We have operating systems for our PCs, laptops, even mobile phones. Similarly, the software also has operating system on which the software is based or developed. So for CATIA, the operating system is CNext. It is the most asked question if you apply in the companies where CATIA is being used. Even if you apply in the Dassault systems for any of the position, this question is must, they will ask you. And finally, the developer of CATIA, which is Dassault Systems. Next, we will see how Dassault Systems CATIA works. So Dassault System CATIA actually incorporate CAD, CAM, CAE and other applications. We know CATIA as a CAD tool, but CATIA can perform CAM, CAE and other applications as well. Though it is preferred as CAD solution only, but you can perform CAM, CAE and other applications as well. Other applications can be like digital mockup, you can perform simulations, you can perform. CATIA V5 is a native window application. CATIA has many versions released by Dassault Systems, but CATIA V5 is a native window application. V5 is for version 5. It has CATIA V6 as well, which is the latest one, which is named as 3D Experience as well. They also have launched CATIA V56, which is a hybrid version of CATIA V5 and CATIA V6. And in CATIA V56 as well, there are many release available. We will use one of the CATIA V5 release during our training. The interface is almost same with the other release. Also it is almost same with CATIA V5 as well. There are some changes related to some of the tools. Some of the tools are combined together or some of the tools are expanded. There is not much difference at the initial level. CATIA has a user friendly icon based graphical user interface where icons of command are available to use. Icons are categorized in the toolbars. We will cover the toolbar and their settings in the initial settings session, where we will be discussing what are the initial settings required before using the CATIA, how exactly we can define those settings, and what are the settings we need to define in this based on variation or parametric technology. Previously we have discussed that each and every CAD tool supports parametric modeling technique. So yes, CATIA is also going to support the parametric technology or parametric guidelines of CAD tools. It encourages design flexibility and design reuse. CATIA's graphical user interface and facilities are so flexible that you can reuse your model very easily. Even you can easily modify your model by executing some clicks. Supports knowledge based design. CATIA supports knowledge based design function for standard parts. It has its own library named as catalog. You can directly pick the standard required parts from the library. You don't need to create any part, you don't need to define the parameters. If you want a particular keyway, then there are standards of keyway. It will show you the list. Out of that list you can select that particular standard with the dimensions, directly import it and continue using it. You don't need to define anything in that. So it supports knowledge based design as well. Do you have any idea about areas of applications for CATIA? Do you have any idea which industries are actually using CATIA? It is most important for you because once you will complete the training, for sure you will be applying in the industries for the post of design engineer or CAD engineer. But if you do not have any idea about in which industry CATIA is used, then how you will be able to apply? How you will be able to list down the industries or companies where you have to apply or where CATIA is used? So to know this, these are the areas of application or these are the industries which uses CATIA as their design tool. Automobile industries, airplane industries, aerospace industries and many more. Automobile, airplane or aerospace industries has been using CATIA for so long because the software has tools available for creating critical shapes. CATIA is the best software for creating critical shapes. It provides you tools for creating any kind of complex shapes. That's why these industries are preferring CATIA over any other software. It has a separate environment for freestyling, it has a separate environment for surface design, it also has a separate environment for surface and wireframe design, which gives you flexibility to modify the shape or the surface in any manner you want to. Next is the software application. What are the application or environments the software has? So these are the some of the environments I have listed down. The product structure environment, where you can generate the structure of product. Part design environment, where you will be able to create the models or parts. Assembly environment, where you will be assembling the part. You have some parts available, you will assemble those parts to form the machine. Sketcher environment, which is dedicatedly for creating the sketches which are actually as a support to your part design, sheet metal or surfaces. Drafting environment, or we will call it as the drawing environment. You can create both the types, interactive and generative drafting, in the software. As I told you, wireframe and surface design environment, freestyle shaper, digital shape editor. If you want any shape to be edited, then you have the environment available. Knowledgeware, photo studio, 4D navigator, which includes the kinematics if you want to perform any simulation, then you can use the software. Manufacturing, it actually generates the NC programming for you, which you can directly fed to your machine, and you can operate the machine. Finite element analysis, which is a part of CAE. So as listed, you can see the software can perform CAD CAM CAE as well as other applications. The software gives you the solution to all of them, but again, it is preferred for design, it is preferred for CAD work, not for manufacturing or CAE or kinematics. For these applications, there are more softwares available in the market.